Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is how to send a scheduled message in Google Chat. Have you wanted to be able to schedule a message to be sent out on a certain time and date, such as a reminder or important update in Google Chat? Google has recently released the Scheduled Send feature, which allows you to schedule a message that you create to be sent on a certain date and time to an individual or group. Let's look at how to send a scheduled message in Google Chat. Open Google Chrome and click the waffle to the left of your profile picture. Scroll down if needed and click the Google Chat icon. In the navigation pane to the left, click New Chat. Type the person's name in the text box and click on it and click Start Chat. You can also go under Direct Messages in the left navigation pane and find the person's name and click on it. Type the message and add any attachments. Click the drop-down arrow to the right of the text box. You can choose to send it today at 1 p.m., tomorrow at 8 a.m., or next Monday at 8 a.m., or you can pick a custom time. Click Pick a Custom Time. Click on the calendar icon and select the date you want the message to be sent. And click OK in the bottom right. Click on the time and type in the time you want it sent on that day. Once you have the date and time set, click Schedule Send and it will queue to send on that date and time. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.